Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I have a beautiful coral grouper here, Chat Seng Pan with me. This is approximately about 600-700 grams. Actually a little bit more than what I needed for my family, but no problem. Okay, so I'm going to, I butterfly cut it because the meat is actually very fat. The meat is actually very thick, so I butterfly cut it so that it's easier to steam, and I made few slits on the fish body and peel few pieces of ginger on top and sprinkle it with a little bit of fine salt. Then we shall send this to the steamer. Right, so we have preheated the steamer. Let's put in the fish in the middle and steam it for approximately 12 minutes. Then we are going to make a very yummy steamed fish sauce by very simple ones. First of all, I'm going to give it a few rounds of premium light soy sauce. Oh, I already have one bowl of hot water here, yeah? So this is fried ginger and fried ginger oil. And fried garlic together with some fried garlic oil. This combination between fried garlic and also fried ginger will bring your steamed fish sauce to heaven. This is after 12 minutes steaming. Oh, look at all these steams. Oh, the fish is so beautiful, shiny. Let me show you. Okay, see how beautiful it is. Look at the beautiful whitish fish meat. Right, I have removed the steamed fish water. That is the source of fishiness. Next thing, I'm going to carefully pour the steamed fish sauce all over the fish. A combination between fried ginger and fried garlic. And I'm going to garnish it with spring onion. Right, that's how simple it is to steam a beautiful coral grouper at home. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page, you click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.